Good morning, students. Hope everyone is fit and fine. Welcome to the new academic session 2021 to 22. I am Mrs. Bharti. I am going to teach English to class 5th. Before starting, let me tell you the syllabus of your first UT, which is going to be held in the month of May. You have lesson number 1, Oliver finds a home. Lesson number 2, Tenali meets Baba. Poem Months. Novel Mowgli. Lesson number 1, The Man Cub. Lesson number 2, Lessons in the Jungle. Today I will start by explaining the poem Months. So everybody open book. The Months is a poem written by Christina Rossetti. It's a classic poem. In the poem, The Month, Christina Rossetti describes what happens each month of the year. Let's see what she wants to tell about each month. January, cold, desolate, means January is empty, lonely because of cold. February, all dripping wet. Dripping wet means it's a rainy month. March, wind ranges, means the wind blows in full strength in March. April changes, birds sing in tune, means April welcomes people with the song of birds. To flowers of May, means flowers bloom in full swing in May. And sunny June brings longest day, means June is a sunny month with the longest day. We have long days in the month of June. In scorched July, what do you mean by scorched? Slightly burnt July. The storm clouds fly lightning torn. Lightning torn means lightning flashing through clouds. It means July has stormy clouds with lightning flashes. August bears corn, September fruit. Means August and September are harvest months. August bears corn and September has fruits. It means in August corn crop is harvested and September we have fruits. Let me repeat as it was not focused. And sunny June brings longest day. Means June is a sunny month with the longest day. In scorched July, scorched means slightly burnt. The storm clouds fly, lightning torn, means lightning flashing through clouds as if tearing them apart. Means July has stormy clouds with lightning flashes. August bears corn, September fruit. Means August and September are harvest months. August bears corn and September has fruit. In rough October, earth must disrobe her. Disrobe means trees shedding their leaves. Means in rough October. What do you mean by rough October? The climate is rough. Means climate conditions are very difficult for people, animals and plants to live in. The leaves fall and the trees are bare. Stars fall and shoot in keen, cold November. It is assumed that stars fall and shoot. What do you mean by shoot? Shooting stars. It means shooting stars is a piece of rock or metal that burns very brightly when it enters the Earth's atmosphere from space. And night is long and cold is strong in bleak December. Bleak is very cold, dull and colorless December. Nights are really long in November and the cold is strong, freezing in December. Means bitter cold is there in December. Now I will read the poem The Months. January cold, desolate. February all dripping wet. March wind ranges. April changes. Birds sing in tune to flowers of May. And sunny June brings longest day. In scorched July, the storm clouds fly lightning torn. August bears corn, September fruit. In rough October, earth must disrobe her. Stars fall and shoot in keen November, and night is long and cold is strong in bleak December. Now let's complete the exercises. Your A question is tick the correct options. The poet describes January as desolate because the poet feels lonely. Which month brings the year's longest day? June. B question on page number 42 is not in your syllabus. Play with words. A proverb is a short, wise saying that gives us valuable advice or tells us something important about life. For example, one kind word can warm 3 winter months. For example, more examples: no pain, no gain. Great minds think alike. Too many cooks spoil the broth. Means, let me explain you this proverb: no pain, no gain. Unless and until you don't work hard, you will not gain anything. Okay. Your D question is fill in the blanks with the words from the brackets to complete these common proverbs. A friend in need is a friend indeed. Make hay while the sun shines. Cut grass while the sun shines. Better late than never. It is no use crying over spilt milk. In many parts of India, summers can be unbearable and the sun often feels as hot as fire. When we describe something by comparing it to something else, when we compare two things like as cold as ice, as black as coal, when we are comparing two things, it is called as simile. When we describe something by comparing it to something else using the words like or as, the phrase formed is called simile. Your E question is complete the sentences with the similes from the box. As fit as a fiddle means very healthy. As cold as ice, very cold. As good as gold, very good. Ran like a deer, ran very fast. The children behaved well in class. They were as good as gold. I have recovered from my illness. Now I am as fit as a fiddle. You should have seen Arjun race today. He ran like a deer. We didn't swim today. The water in the pool was as cold as ice. Grammar fun we will do in the next video.